What's happening, everybody? Judd Burden here from Asphalt Kingdom. Thank you for tuning in. Topic of conversation today is asking why is one of the most important follow-up words to ask. Before we get into it, make sure to click that subscribe button. Click that ringy bell to get notified. Every time we push content out, you'll get notified, and hopefully it will help grow your business. Okay, asking why is the most important word in your sales follow-up. Here is why, everybody. So you know how sometimes you follow up with leads that you've been working, and they're still just beating around the bush, and they continue to say, yeah, we're still thinking about it. We have to talk with the board about it. We've got to, maybe it's just not the right time right now. And so my response is, I literally will ask this: well, why? And it literally stumps the person. It will stump them, and they will sit there and try to figure out how to answer it. And what I'm finding is that most of the time when they answer why, when they answer the question why, they end up telling you exactly why. So it could be along the lines of, well, we don't have the money. Okay, well, that's a great answer. When do you think you'll have the money? Okay, well, that will be in about 2 months from now. Fantastic. Well, in 2 months from now, I'll set a follow-up and I'll give you a shout back. Or they might answer that, there is a need to repave the parking lot, but they don't want to maintain it. Well, fantastic. Now you know what you're dealing with and how to respond with that situation, whereas before you might have not. So if you find that your leads, your prospects might be beating around the bush a little bit, don't ever be afraid to ask the word why. Why will impact your conversion rate. It will save you time because you won't be beating around a bush with the client. There's nothing worse than following up 15 times with somebody who really isn't even wanting what it is that you're selling, right? So why is a power word as it relates to your sales follow-up. Use it more often, save you time so you're focusing on closing more deals and maximizing your business. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, click that notification, little ringy bell. Have a beautiful day. Very successful one too. Take care.